Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your honey garden in Grow Garden game of Roblox latest update. Okay guys, let's get into it. As we know that the BCB event update is over, and now there is a new event in Grow Garden which is called Summer Camp event. And don't worry guys, because even though the BCB event update is over, we can still access the honey garden, and the event is permanent guys. So once you switch from the normal garden to the honey garden or the BCB garden, you'll be able to play the previous event. You will be able to play the BCB event again right here. Right after you switch to the BCB garden or the honey garden, you will see the BCB event update, and you can still buy honey seed and then bee egg, and you can also still play the wasp dungeon. And yeah, it's pretty cool actually. I'm so glad that they do not remove the event because this event is so fun. Okay guys, and that's how you can go back to your BCB garden or honey garden in Grow Garden game of Roblox, the latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.